Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on OPPO K12x. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and now click on Google account. Then click on Data and Privacy, and scroll down, and click on Delete your Google account. And now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes. Then click Delete account. And now your account should be removed. So now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click Sign In. And you have to enter your email. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now I have to click Next to recover it. And I have to enter my password. And then click I agree. Now click Accept. And as you can see, my parental control is now bypassed and my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.